Chapter 12, Light and Shadow, page number 76. Light comes from the sun. Light comes from the sun. Maximum light comes from the sun. Light also comes from electric lamp, from fire, and from torches. Light comes from electric lamp, light comes from fire, and light comes from torches. All light travel in a straight line. All light travel in a straight line. Here light comes to this boy in a straight line, and also here light comes from in a straight line. Light cannot go round corner. This boy can see the light, but this boy cannot see the light because light cannot go round corner. Light can go in a straight line. This is why there are shadow. Light cannot go round corner, and this is why there is a shadow. A shadow is created. Light goes through some things. Light goes through some things. Light goes in transparent glass, through transparent glass. Light goes through some things as like as glass or water or transparent glass window. Light goes through transparent things. Here this polythene is very transparent, and the spectacles of this girl is very transparent. So light goes through transparent things. Light goes through transparent things. Here glass or water is very transparent, and this piece of glass is also very transparent. Light goes through transparent things. Light cannot pass through some things. This is brick. Light cannot pass through brick and through this thing, and through steel, through plate, through table, because these things are not transparent. These things are not transparent. Brick is not transparent. This plate is not transparent. This steel is not transparent. Wood is not transparent. Light cannot pass through opaque things. These things are opaque. Brick is not transparent. It is opaque things. This plate is opaque, and steel is not transparent. Steel is opaque, and wood is also opaque things. Light cannot pass through opaque things. Here are two columns, transparent things and opaque things. Brick, opaque. Steel, opaque. Table, opaque. Glass, transparent. Spectacles, transparent. And water or glass, transparent. Polythene, transparent. Subscribe our channel, like, comment and share.